Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sen, and today we are not doing a full in-depth wig tutorial. This is just me trying on the wig and gonna wear it out. I am not gonna do a ball cap method or anything. I just want to kind of take this wig out the bag, shake it, and go. And the reason I want to do that is because I've been trying to get my hand on this wig for the longest. And let me tell you something, she has been sold out on wig types for a while. So we're trying this Butta Lace by Sensationel and this Cloud 9. You've been seeing this. If you're into wigs, you have been seeing this on the timeline. Her name is Glenna. I have seen Body by Kiara did a review on this one. I forgot who else did. There was a few of the girlies that do wig reviews, that the popular ones on here that did a review on this one. I know Kat, I think Kat did a review. Don't remember what color she got, if she got the color on the box. I did not get the color on the box because I was like, you know what, I want to actually kind of wear this wig a little bit more. Sometimes when I get these kind of colors and give it a try, I usually don't get to wear it the way I want to. It becomes a weekend wig, and this one I wanted to see how can I rock her as an everyday wig for like the next 3 to 4 days. I typically don't wear my wigs for more than 2 to 3 days when I put them on. When I do the ball cap method for these synthetic wigs, I usually take them off at the end of the night because I don't sleep in my wigs. I got Glenna in the balayage gold, and I got this color because once again the other color was not available. I will go back and definitely get this, and if you stay tuned and you're subscribed to the channel, you will see me probably rock this color in one of my vlogs. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that jazz. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and so yeah, let's join the family. So I got her in a balayage gold, and the reason I got her is when I saw Body by Kiara did that color, I was like, oh, you know what? That's the one that I should try for the wig series versus the actual wig on the box. So we're gonna just go ahead and, you know, unmanage her out this box, get her, you know, get all her bits and stuff together. And let's read some of the things on here because this is the reason why we're not doing the ball cap method. So Sensationel have said that these wigs are detectable. They're undetectable lace, and so when you put it on, you shouldn't see it. So you could possibly wear it as you could possibly wear this wig as a glueless wig, which I intend to do today. It is Cinco de Mayo. I love the length of her. This is what balayage gold looks like with the little specks of, you know, blonde in there. I'm gonna come closer. I'm gonna run through the specs. You know, it has the lace. This is what the lace looks like. It has a comb here and it has a comb there. What I've noticed lately about synthetic wigs, especially Sensationel, the combs are no longer these big chunky combs at the side. They're really, really tiny, and I think they've been listening to the girls talk about they don't use the side combs. I don't either. The comb at the back, adjustable straps. It does not have an elastic band. The cap is pretty decent. You know, it's breathable, and that's one of the things that I am starting to really enjoy about synthetic wigs, is that it's breathable wig caps. And so that is it. Now she is already curled and bouncy. You know, I'm gonna kind of judge her out and make her look as great as I want her to look. Deconstruct her. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna pull her on, retry her on, and we'll be back and we'll tell you our final thoughts on this Sensationel Glenna wig. Cut off the lace, and I did it on my head, kind of did it. I adjusted the strap, but the lace is a little tad bit still on the lighter side based off the fact that I use these wig caps to actually, you know, put on. So what I'm gonna do is I have 2 L'Oreal Infallible powders. This one is in hazelnut, and hazelnut runs like on a richer side, and then this one is in sienna, and she's more so on like the kind of like the same but a little deeper. So I'm gonna mix both of them and just kind of go around the hairline with it. So I'm taking my brush and then I'm just gonna kind of go around there. So we're gonna do that just to kind of, even though the wig, as you can see, it looks like it really is a great wig lace, I still want to put some more, because when I put it on my head, the edges of the wig shows that line of demarcation, and that's what you don't really want to have. So you want to actually, like, you know, just put some powder in. Don't go too hard with it or anything like that, and just kind of give it some more color, especially for us darker girls when we tan in the summertime. The lace is gonna be great in the middle, but like at the edge where, you know, you're wearing it glueless, you will see that line of demarcation. So for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it back on my head with you guys so I can give you what I'm talking about, and so that you guys can see. There we go. So you see on this side you could still see her, but then on this side she's not as prevalent. Now this wig needs customizing a bit. I don't have my mirror in front of me, but yeah, I need to tighten up the lace over here, and once I do that I will come back. So far so good. She looks great. I love the color. I think with a little bit more of like plucking on certain parts of the wig, just a tad bit, not overdoing it, it will really bring off that undetectable lace look that they're referring to on there. They did do some plucking, so that's a plus for me. So yeah, let me go ahead and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts on this wig. I'm back. Final thoughts on the wig. I love the wig. I'm gonna come closer. I sprayed a little bit of my holding spray on there, but do you see? Look at that. Let me lift that up. Look at that. Lift that up. Now I didn't fully tap it down, but you guys get the drift of what this is. These days we want wigs that we could take out the box and kind of throw it on our head and go. We wear it for maybe a special occasion, or just, you know, wear it to work. It'll be our work wig, it'll be our exercise wig, whatever you want to call your wig or what you want to do with your wig. You sometimes just want to take it out the box and bring it in. Sensationel and Outre has been the top 2 selling synthetic wigs companies for the last few years, and I believe that they are really listening to the girls that wear synthetic wigs. These are the great wigs to get. If you're interested in picking up Glenna, definitely go ahead and get Glenna. You can get her in the color you want to. She comes in a variety of colors. I shop on Wig Types. Sam's Beauty is another place you could probably find them. Sometimes on Amazon. I can wait the 2-3 day shipping for these. I don't need to get it the next day when I order it, so I'm not gonna overpay for it. If Wig Types has it for 50 bucks, I'm gonna give Wig Types my 50 bucks and wait the 2 days to get it, or 3 days. And then Amazon, it's like $75 and it comes the next day. So I'm good with not paying 75 bucks on Amazon, but I'm not gonna tell you how to spend your money, so you do what you gotta do. But yes, this wig is, she's good. Later on, I will customize her and I will figure out how I want to style her. But for this purpose of the video, I kind of just threw her on the side, like on the box, and where, you know, what she looks like. She can go up into a high ponytail, like on the box, like that. I'm not a ponytail. If you guys enjoyed this video and this other wig video that I did, I hope you guys stick around for more. There's gonna be a lot more on these videos, so definitely stick around. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you and catch you on the next one. Bye guys.